Kyle, can you check that I'm live? If you can check on your mobile, please. Open your Facebook page and just say that is live or not. Is somebody is able to see me? If somebody can give me a thumb sign so that I'll be able to know that somebody is watching. Till then, just set up. I'll just set up so that, yeah, somebody has given one sign. It shows that somebody is watching me. So let's start. So I wish you all a very pleasant good morning. Yaliho. See, today I'm not going to tell you about the corona. You all know that everyone has heard a lot about the corona now, but just giving a name of the corona, you start feeling bad that what is corona now, yeah. And even our Honorable Prime Minister has explained about the corona in such a nice way. So I don't think there's any need to explain to me further about that. But the purpose to coming before you all is that the first is that I have not seen my all kids from a long, the school is our life, the students are our life. And without them sitting at home, so we are feeling like there's no life actually, because students are life. So I thought that let's at least we should start something for our kids from where we can convey something. Like today I'm standing before you. Tomorrow our headmistress, she'll be there. Then is our science teacher, sports teacher, computer teacher. One by one, all teachers will come before you and they will share their views with you. So today I'm going to share with you all about how to spend this time. See, this is also good time. You can't say that any time is a bad. This is a situation, is a temporary phase, which also is going to pass after some days. Now, this time, we have to think that how to utilize this time, because time will not wait for anyone. Yesterday I was thinking, today I'm sitting before you, so I can't, go back now because that time is past now. So, but the benefit I'll get from the time which is past is that what I have done something for others, or what I've done something for me, for increasing my knowledge, or for others too. First of all, you all can plan a timetable for this vacation. Like we have up to 14th of April, we have to sit at home. And sitting at home is definitely going to make you a very person full of patience. It's not a small thing. I think that you all are soldiers who are controlling your heart, your mind, and sitting at home. It's not a small thing. First of all, let's salute to all of you who are following this system, you're following the nation, who are helping nation. This is a help to nation. It is equivalent to like fighting at the border with the enemies. It is equivalent that to sitting at the home, controlling your feeling, controlling your mind. This is a strong sign that all of you are very strong. I can say that definitely. So now let's make a timetable. Some of my parents are watching me. A very good morning. They're all wishing good morning. I also wish a very good morning to all of you. Thank you so much. See, in this time, the student may think that, so now the day is with us, we can't do anything, so let's wake up late. No. Let me tell you, wake up early in the morning, at least at 6 a.m. When you wake up in the early morning, brush, get fresh, and go for a little exercise at the one corner of your home, or do some yoga. Our sports teacher has already, planned something for you, and we have also shared with all of you that what exercise we can do at home in a small place. So do that. After that, have your breakfast. But not only breakfast, to eat breakfast, just help your mother also to prepare breakfast. Mother is already doing a lot many things. The day you're born, she's always completely devoted for you. It's your time now to wake up with her, and let's make a cup of tea for her. Let me tell you, if you do all these small things, you're going to get so much happiness. Because happiness is not always in getting things, it's always in giving. When you give something, you'll feel more happy. Wake up early in the morning and do something for your parents. Let me tell you my example for me also. Nowadays, what I'm doing, I'm also brooming my home in the morning. And sometimes I'm also making a cup of tea and offering to all. I feel so good. The same way, wake up early in the morning, do exercise, have breakfast, but help mama to prepare breakfast. Nowadays, no Kamwali is going to come at your home because we also have to think about their welfare. We don't want that they should also come to our home in this time. So please do brooming, do jhadu pocha, help in breakfast. Even you can clean utensil also. It is all you're doing for yourself, for your family. See, after that you will feel so happy. Let me tell you, this will give you happiness. And in this time, there's one more thing which we all can learn. You know, the small thing like एक बटन लगाना. Sometimes we depend upon other कि यार बटन लगा दो मम्मा, ये बटन टूट गया है. नो, आप सीखिए कैसे बटन लगाते हैं. इस समय में ये बहुत छोटा सा काम है, लेकिन आप सीख जाएंगे तो एटलीस्ट आप खुद कुछ करना सीखेंगे, एटलीस्ट अपना बटन लगाना सीखें. हमारा कई बार हमारी पैंट उधड़ जाती है, शर्ट उधड़ जाती है, तो उसको उधड़ी हुई चीज को भी सिलना सीखें, मम्मा से सीखें वो चीज, कि छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए भी हम दूसरों पर निर्भर ना रहें. इस समय का प्रयोग हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, हम अपने लिए ये कुछ सीख सकते हैं इस समय में ये चीजें. नाउ ये तो हो गया घर में हेल्प की बात. सेकेंडली, नाउ व्हाट टू डू फॉर दिस माइंड and for this body. For body, as I shared that we have shared some exercise which you can do in a small corner of your home. But for mind, the mind, to develop mind, you need to read more and more. I know that you're feeling sir is telling again to read the books. But let me tell you, a good leader is a good reader. If you all want to be a good leader, you need to be a good reader. I want that all of you must read some books. We have given you one link of the so many good books, like from British Library, one link is given. Then Amazon has given a link of the books. All soft copies are there. You no need to read, the book will speak itself when you tick on that. It's so easy way. So once you learn, your mind is also going to become heavy and is going to become strong. Please don't forget the habit of reading. Nowadays we all are on this technology, this media, but still the reading pays a lot. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good leader, for that the reading is must. You must need to go for the good books. Apart from it, I want to say that maintain cleanliness at home. Make your almirah in a right way. Polish your shoes. Keep your things at the right place. So you see that you will develop a habit. For this 21 days we are sitting at home, I don't want that you should waste this time, this 21 days. And there's no need to panic. This is a temporary phase. This will all pass. But after 21 days, when you come to school, you will feel that if you have done something good in this time, so you'll be happy. Oh, I have given, I have spent good time. I have learned something out of it. But if you not do anything, so you have to repent after that. Oh my God, I have just wasted my time. I don't want that any of you will say that I have wasted my time. You must say that I have utilized my time. I need one promise from you that for this 21 days, you must help your mother at home. This is the time to help the mother. Otherwise, you're at school. Always you're in school, you're busy. But this time you're home. You are at home. Please help your mother. Help yourself. This is a service to everyone at home. So you prove that you are one of the best students. I need a promise from you for that you will do exercise, you will study, and you will help your parents, as well as you will not waste your time. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Good day.